What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So as you know from the title of this video, today I'm going to be big chopping my hair. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, as I've mentioned in previous videos, my hair fell out like a lot after I had my last baby, which was a little over a year ago. So the postpartum hair loss for me was super real. All of my edges fell out. This was like almost completely bald in the front, really the whole perimeter of my head. So my hair just hasn't been right since it fell out. So rather than try to wait until this catches up with this, it makes more sense to me to just cut it off and start over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take these down. My hair is still straight kinda from when I straightened it. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it right here so you can check that one out if you're interested. I'm definitely going for more of a tapered look. I don't want it to, I want it longer on top and shorter on the sides and the back. I'm not gonna talk you out of death. I'm just gonna go get some scissors and then I'm gonna start cutting because I'm just ready to get it over with, really. Like, I just want a fresh start. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting. So I'm just gonna section the top out. Okay, so now that I have this part sectioned out, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the standard disclaimers. I'm not a beautician, I'm not a barber, I'm just a regular person. Should I be doing this? Probably not, but I am. And that's it. So let's get started. Y'all know I said I'm doing this part shorter. So I think I'm gonna taper it like this, kinda. And then just keep doing the same thing all the way around my head. Here's all the hair that I cut. And now I'm getting ready to go just wash my hair and see what I end up with. And I might come back and cut some more once it's washed and I can see the curls and all that. Done washing it now, so I'm just gonna style it and see what I come up with. So this is what it's looking like so far. I feel like it turned out pretty good. I mean, definitely could have been worse for sure.